that I'm happy that on an occasion like this, few things I would like to share that we have come and decided on is that we had basically certain schemes where we were supporting journalists from the government of from Meghalaya. There was a scheme in 2009 which had come out, and I will just read them out. So the scheme was, one scheme there was for the family of deceased journalist. We used to give 1 lakh to the family of a deceased journalist. We have decided, and I'm happy to announce that we are increasing that from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs will be provided to the family under extreme hardship on account of the death of the journalist. We were giving 50,000 to journalists who suffer permanent disability. We have increased that amount, and now we have increased it to 3 lakhs. From 50,000, we're increasing that to 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs will be provided to the journalists in case of permanent disability, rendering the journalists incapable of earning a livelihood. There was also an amount of 50,000 to journalists in case of extreme hardship due to illness. We have also decided that we will increase that amount from 50,000 to now 3 lakhs to be provided for treatments for different major ailments. So these are 3 important supports that the government was giving. So we have simply decided to enhance them. Another very important aspect which we are working on is we want to create some kind of a system where we are able to coordinate with the press and the journalists and the DIPR, and hence we'll be forming a small committee. This is Sarkari, of course, but we are forming a committee. But you will be happy to know why we're forming this committee. So this committee is being formed, and whoever the senior most bureaucrat, that means the commissioner secretary or principal secretary, will chair this, and of course director and other officials from the government will be there, and we will have 2 to 4 members. We're still working on it from the press and from the media who will be members in this committee. And this will facilitate the entire process of the coordination between the press and the government, which, as we know, was missing in some way. And small things were not happening because this kind of coordination was not there. So I'm sure that this committee will be very, very useful. And this committee is being formed. But more importantly, apart from the coordination that you will be doing, I have also decided that we will be putting a corpus of 35 lakhs in this particular committee. Now, and we will keep topping it up as and when the money is going down or whatever it is. We'll figure out the system, but immediately we'll be giving 35 lakhs to this committee.